So surprisingly enough, no other Walmart has stuff like this that I've been to except this one over by where Damon lives. Well, I'm sure I could find this at another Walmart, but I couldn't even find these at Harbor Freight, which is kind of odd to me, but I needed those for my smaller impact driver. So yeah, got those, and I got a 1/2 inch extension because every extension I have is 3/8. So yeah, that'll be good. What's that, Hannah? Yep. That looks like her. Can't never remember which garage it is. Oh, it's that one. I'm dark. What the heck is the one? I came bearing power tools.
Hey. Hopefully. Yeah, as long as we can get that, like put it all on and it fits, I'm cool with that. And like waiting to get it sawed up and stuff to bump it.
Cool. Chassis not life.
Other than that, I'm just laying on wheels now.
Just wheels, and then it'll be done.
Just wheels. I might be leaving.
Where are you going?
Iowa or Minnesota or Montana. Somewhere. I don't know. But it's only for 8 weeks. Not long again. It's 2 months. I'll be back before August.
Cool.
Yeah. I gotta get some money. I ain't paying nothing around here.
Who you telling? I gotta do something. I'm broke.
Dude, yeah. After they said I didn't get on that list for the fire department, I was like, man, bump staying around here. I'm not going somewhere. Like, Hannah can't even see over the dash anymore.
Let's see. Never sat in a Brougham seat before.
It's comfy.
Oh my God. Like, it's perfect for me.
Yeah. It's comfy. And it sits back further than the stock seat.
Really?
Like with the bars, yeah. It goes back a whole lot further. The stock, you know, the stock seat's very, like, real thick in the back.
Yeah.
So it can't really move.
Oh, these are nice. This is real comfortable.
Yeah.
Dang, I need some eventually when I'm not broke.
I have to give up my hot seat warming function.
Yeah.
I never really used it anyway. I should have got a base model.
This shifter is ridiculous.
Like shifting with it, like I've just driven it around the apartment complex.
Yeah.
And shifted with it. I don't know. I like it better than the other ones I've had, just because it's so high up.
It looks cool. Nice.
She say do 'em all, ayy, baby gon' wait for the plot, cause she giving me all that she got, rolling a verse with her fees, and just to get high with my fucking demons.
Well, it's time to make the WRX great again. All it's missing is wheels, but he pretty much has everything else that he wants for the time being. We just gotta install this chassis mount wing, and then get his wheels in a couple more months, and then it'll be ready to go. Mine is a lot farther away from being where I wanted to be, unfortunately, but his is pretty much Gucci. Even got the new canards on.
Point that shit right at the cop. Told you she love when it drop. Told you she love when it fall. Counting the cutties, she say do 'em all. Point that shit right at the cop. Let's go. Told you she love when it drop. Let's go. Told you she love when it fall. Counting the cutties, she say do 'em all.
I'm just putting it here for now.
Alright, back working on the WRX once again. The trunk is a mess.
I think though, like there's, I don't know, I think it disconnects. I feel like it should. Alright. Good. I can't. It's too tight. I already removed those. and that's the only thing left. I know they said you got a tug, but I just can't. I can't do it. And here I am. We about to cut the bumper up.
That wasn't too bad.
I know.
I was about to like give up.
Yeah.
And then it came off.
What?
Oh, this thing's still down here attached.
Oh, it's still attached?
On the spat.
Okay.
The spat's still attached to
There. Oh man, this is great. Man, not just like unscrews. It's tied in. Yeah, it's tied in right there. Oh well, I'll just lay it down. I'll take it off in a minute. Perfect. Hey!
Step one, remove the bumper.
That was easy. Those
So it just replaces this whole thing?
It's got a whole mount for it and everything.
Sweet.
Yeah. Those things I actually don't. I mean, it's gonna be helpful, but I thought they were in there in a way that I couldn't get to them. Good God, look at all that dirt from when I lived on that dirt road. Make no sense. All right.
Man had to open his big mouth and say this is gonna be easy. Drop the socket inside the bash bar, or the whatever you call this thing.
It wasn't me.
Crap, I can't get it.
That's fine. Oof.
For those of you wanting to do a chassis mount install on a WRX,
Good.
yeah, make sure you hire your strongest, most buffed friend that you can find. Whoever the strongest guy you know is, bring him.
Just tell him to come over to loosen them.
Yeah.
They ain't got to do nothing else.
Bring him over, because these bolts will not come loose.
Jesus Christ, that thing's tight.
I brought my impact gun, but I don't have a 1/2-inch socket to fit on that. Everything we have in here is 3/8, so we may have to go to the auto parts store or back to Walmart. I'm not sure yet. Hey.
If what?
It feels like it has a lot of torque, that's for sure.
It does.
I definitely need a turbo. So of course, per usual, we have to go back to the store to get another tool because Damon dropped the only 14mm socket we had to fit those bolts inside of the crash bumper thingamajigger. So we gotta go to like Advanced or something. Here he comes.
Gotta drive this thing.
Is that the turbo one?
Yeah.
Lame.
Oh, how do I zoom it out a little bit? Oh, right here. Ah, there we go. The clutch is iffy.
I see
That clutch is something serious. It's like it's like lighter than ours, like way lighter than ours.
I can barely feel it under my foot.
Yeah.
My brakes is the same. I don't know if it's because it's new or are they just really grippy.
They're grippy. And they're new. I think the person who had it before us was like old. Because it only had like 15,000 miles on it. For a 16, that's nothing.
Yeah, this thing moves.
Yeah. That's just in normal mode.
There's a different mode.
Yeah. It's got a sport mode and individual.
Is this front wheel or rear wheel?
Front.
Okay. Yeah, this thing moves. I need a turbo.
I dare say it's got more. It's more torqueier than mine, just because everything's going to the front wheels.
It's definitely got some torque.
Look at these folks out here. I don't know how to drive.
Yeah, those guys are super cool.
They're pretty cool. Oh,
They close in like 45 minutes though, so we gotta hurry up and use it and get it back, so they don't call the police on us for not bringing their stuff back. Let's see what this thing can do.
Widget section?
Well, I don't think I can do that.
Nah, I don't think so. We just got the skinny ones. Oh God, please don't drop. Are you serious?
It's still not coming. Good Lord. I don't think we was gonna get this off by hand. This thing's not moving. I can't believe it.
We need a breaker bar.
Yeah. I don't know how else that's coming off.
Jesus Christ. Always something.
Well, that didn't work. You know what the problem is, right?
What?
You opened your mouth and said this was going to be a quick install.
I did.
This is all your fault. Next on the list of tools I need to get is definitely a breaker bar.
God dang.
I don't know why I didn't get one, but that's definitely next.
Subaru wasn't playing.
Y'all gonna be safe whether you like it or not.
I don't even know if this other one will come off. Let's just see.
I can't believe that didn't work.
I ain't putting this car back together.
Uh-oh.
That's just the bottom one now.
Ouch! Ooh, that sounded like it hurt.
It ain't coming.
It's about to be another long behind video of not getting anything done.
We can always scrap it. Nah, I ain't coming. I don't want to mess it up. Dang! I was sure that thing was getting on there today.
If they have some cheap breaker bars, I'll probably just buy one from over there because I just need one anyway.
Yeah.
Let's go. That was a fail.
Dang.
Okay, so we went back. Attempt number 2 was completely a complete fail. Borrowed a breaker bar and still not coming off. So I don't know how this is gonna happen, but breaker bar is so far failing.
By the power of the All-Father. Oh, it's coming out. Dude, that's unbelievable. This don't make no sense.
Subaru was like, y'all
wrong for that.
Y'all niggas can't have no chassis, not wings. We not doing that.
This one doesn't at least come off. Ouch!
Ooh.
Oh, that hurts. But at least this one comes off.
That one came out.
Yeah, I mean, I can get it out. I just ain't going to yet.
Or just leave it loose.
Yeah, I'm.
Just get whatever we can get off.
Since that one came off, let's try
Might
this
just
one.
have to come back with a bigger breaker bar one day. What?
Those are coming off easy.
So it's just 3 on each side?
Yeah. Just the 2 smaller ones, and then that one bigger one that we can't get. That's unbelievable. So that one's loose. Loosen up the one on the bottom. If we have stripped it. Okay, I'm almost certain we've like stripped that one. Or either just bent it and we need a 13. Yep.
Oh Lord. Once again we failed. I got like all of them loose for the exception of one bolt. One bolt Damon stripped. He stripped it, not me. Alright, well, guess we'll get it on the next one.
Yeah, man. No choice. Man, I need a lip.
Oh, I forgot about it. I knew something was missing up here.
Yeah, lip.
When's that coming?
I don't know, but they're fairly cheap. I just ain't rushed it yet, you know?
Yeah, I'm trying to take time.
Because I still gotta buy the paint for it and stuff, so I'm just gonna paint it myself. Nick don't paint no more. He sold his car, got like a 05 Civic.
Man.
Yeah, he's done. Oh well. I mean, it ain't that hard to paint a lip.
Nah.
Whole car I can't do, but a lip I can do.
Yeah.
And I'm just painting it black, so just gonna go get some. I'm just gonna get some factory Subaru black paint and spray it up.
Sick. Alright, well, let me know when you want me to come back and we'll
Whenever, man.
make some noise and cut that crap off.
It don't matter to me. It's whenever. You can come back, shoot. You can come back tomorrow now if you want. I'm here, so.
I'll see. It'll either be tomorrow or Tuesday.
Alright, I ain't in school no more, so.
Alright, cool.
I'll be up.
Point that shit right at the cop. Told you she love when it drop.